There's something satisfying about traveling. It challenges us to the core to make us modest. Hi, my name is Abhi and I'm traveling Southeast Asia. I'm trying to find a different perspective, a traveler's perspective. So why wait? Let's get along. Bangkok, Krungthep, City of Angels. Call it what you want, but Bangkok is larger than life. Great historic temples and markets, skyscrapers, awesome bars. Let's see what else it has to offer. Just like Uber, Thailand has this awesome app, Grab. All you need to do is just enter your location and destination, and the app will show you the options. You can either pay by cash or card. My first destination for today is Lumpini Park. Let's go there. The most popular park in Bangkok is Lumpini Park, which was created in the 1920s by King Rama VI. It still is the best outdoor escape in Bangkok without actually leaving the town if you want to get out of the hustle and bustle. Wildlife in the heart, locals relaxing, and freedom from the busy streets. Perfect place to recover. After my stroll, I wanted to visit Chatuchak market and decided to explore the metro line. All you need to do is you just need to come to the subway and buy the token, and it only cost me 42 bucks. Otherwise, I mean, if you'll do a taxi is not a problem, but it would cost you like 3 times. So yeah, I'll go to the section and then I'll just go to platform number 2.
นีสวนจตุจักรท่านสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไป BTS ได้ที่สถานีนี้ Next station จตุจักร Park
This is Jay, he's my first follower.
Hello everyone, please follow him. And if you have time, go visit Philippines. It is a nice place.
Yeah.
We have a nice place here in there in the Philippines. I found love for me down in the sky. Follow my lead. I found a girl.
Little did I know that Chatuchak market is actually a weekend market, which looks like this anyway. And I was there on a Monday, so I couldn't make it. And I still regret it. You might not believe me, but this marketplace has become the world's largest weekend market. It has over 15,000 stalls which are spread across 35 acres. But anyway, Jay decided to join me and we wanted to make the best out of today. We explored some local food and stalls, met new people. Here's another awesome thing about Thailand. You can find appetizing food, street food almost anywhere. Look at us, we're inside of a metro station. After that, we planned to go to Khaosan Road by bus. And you won't believe me, from Mochit station to Khaosan Road, which is about 12 kilometers by road, took only 12 bahts. Cheap, isn't it? Khaosan Road is the backpacker central. It is. It is best known for Arey Bhai Leo's film, The Beach. Despite of that, crowded night markets, colorful tuk-tuks, sizzling street food, affordable accommodation, Khaosan Road is the best. And of course, you will make a lot of friends. It then started drizzling a little, which cooled down the temperature. उसके बाद मैंने कुछ ऐसा खाया जो मैं लाइफ में कभी नहीं भूल सकता. Just give me this in a yeah. Yeah, very salty, man.
What it tastes like?
Tastes like very crunchy and it's very salty.
Why not try?
I just had it. Alright, see ya. Chinatown or Yavarat Road. We got here by a tuk-tuk who charged us about 60 bahts. People say that this is one of the best Chinatowns in the world. Some of the best eats in the city. 1.5 kilometers long road is often referred to being dragon-like. I don't know if that's true. If you're a seafood lover, you gotta be here. Some of the tourist attractions worth hunting out in the Chinatown area include Wat Tramet or Temple of the Golden Buddha or Wat Mangkon or Dragon Lotus Temple. If you want to visit there, just make sure that you visit Chinatown before 5 p.m. This was the first day of my venture and I know I didn't explore a lot. What I know about myself is that I am here to learn, see, discover, wonder, and a lot of things. And this is just a beginning.